In this quick video, I'm going to illustrate how GitClear's snap changelogs break through the wall that has always separated Git commits from customer awareness about what is in those Git commits. If your customers could only see what you're working on, there's a very real chance that they would encourage your progress with words, yes, but more importantly, with dollars. The snap changelogs that I'll be demonstrating is a feature that has been years in the making for us. It began when our company GitClear kicked off its own GitHub sponsors project back in 2020. Our goal was to show consistent progress improving the ecosystem for Linux touchpad drivers, and we saw that when our project began, we captured 200 monthly subscribers who were excited about our direction and were willing to financially back our development with a monthly subscription. But then every month, the number of subscribers dwindled. Even though we were making progress every week, it was only a few times per year that we mustered the time and the willpower to document what we had implemented. And on those infrequent occasions that we did publish an update, our numbers would briefly spike back up. But within a week or two after, the attrition continued. Our problem was the same one that I have seen hundreds of times when I browse GitHub developers who are soliciting sponsors for their work. Put yourself in the shoes of a prospective project backer, and it makes sense. We developers are asking our prospects to click through several pages to learn about what we're working on, and these pages are often unabridged paragraphs of text. And if you think about yourself when you have installed apps, do you methodically read through all of the documentation that is available for that app? If not, then you're familiar with how weirdly difficult it is to focus long enough to read through the pitch that a GitHub developer will offer. But here's the thing. Unlike text, most people love looking at pictures. If you're working on a problem that matters to people, and if your prospective customers could see a visual gallery of your accomplishments rather than seeing a mind-numbing wall of text, your customer conversion rate could be much different. That wall that separates your Git commits from your customers' awareness could be broken down like the Kool-Aid guy was on the other side of it. That is what GitClear's Snap Changelog feature is built to do. It helps developers put their best foot forward to connect with new customers, and Snap Changelogs can automatically generate summaries of related groups of commits that you have pushed lately. Then, what's even cooler is that when you upload a screenshot or a video to our changelog dashboard, we can automatically connect your screenshot to the summary of what you have recently worked on. Also pretty cool is that this entire Snap Changelog feature is free for up to 3 repos, and it has been specifically designed to showcase your work in a dynamically updating image that can be embedded in a GitHub profile or sponsors page. When your prospective customers are deciding whether to fund you, if they have a gallery of reasons why you are a worthy target for their patronage, it's going to be a much different proposition than if they have a 3-page essay about what you're working on and why you think that matters. So how do all of these promises actually get implemented? Well, I'll show you by quickly moving through the process of setting up a new Snap changelog from scratch. Step 1 is to Google GitHub profile widget and click through GitClear's result, where you can find this button to create a new account. Upon clicking the button and completing your OAuth login, you will be presented with a list of repos that you can elect to process. Pick the repos that you want included in your changelog, and since you have signed up through the GitHub profile changelog page, we will automatically opt you into our free subscriber tier unless you later decide that this feature creates enough value that it's worth paying for more than 3 repos. After you've picked your repos, our system drops you off at this page while it begins processing your most recent commits first and then moving backwards from there. And it's on this page that you can click this button to create your first Snap changelog. It will look pretty empty at first since it takes our system a few minutes to set up your account and to process enough commits to be able to start identifying groups of changes. But you can still pick a name for your changelog, you can give it a URL, you can give it a description, and you can also pick whether you want to include a chart above the visual changelogs that will begin trickling in as our processing progresses. Once you publish your changelog, at that point, it is just a matter of uploading some representative screenshots and videos of what you have been working on lately. Finally, click this link to grab the HTML for your Snap changelog image and paste it into your GitHub profile README. From here, the changelog will continue to automatically update for your prospective customers as you push work and upload screenshots. One of the coolest parts of this is that your customers can actually vote on which work you are doing that makes the biggest difference to them. This is a great way to let customers feel like they're being heard, and frankly, it can be pretty nice just to receive a little burst of endorphins as you see tangible proof that your work is being noticed and appreciated to get this positive reinforcement. So give this feature a try. We would love to hear from you, and thanks for watching.